Hey, this is Todd Anderson with AV Nirvana, and welcome to another preview and unboxing. Today we have something that's brand new on the street. This was just announced recently and only recently became available for everyone to buy. It's from Riva Audio. It's called the Riva Concert, and it's part of Riva Audio's next-gen smart speaker series called The Voice. Now, this is one of two speakers in the series. The other is Riva Stadium, which is a larger version. And this retails for about $199. Now, Riva also sent along with this speaker this battery pack. It says it's part of the Wand series, but it will work with Riva Concert. Now, this battery is rated at 15 hours playing music at about 75 dB. And this will set you back roughly 50 bucks. I believe the MSRP is closer to 80, but it looks like you can find it on the internet for about 50. So let's get this guy out of its box, and we'll talk a little bit about what it has to offer. Okay, so here's the speaker. As you can see, it's rather small and very manageable in size. It weighs about 3 pounds and stands about 7 inches tall. Has a very nice metal mesh grill that feels solid. That wraps around the entirety of the speaker. And on the top and bottom, we have these nicely molded plastic end caps. The bottom side, there are skid-resistant feet, and then this little rubber piece here pulls off and reveals a mating point for the battery. Now, here's the battery. It's also extremely lightweight, and it attaches just like that. And you can see we have power. There's a blue LED indicator ring. I think that ring changes color. That's something we'll investigate during the review. And then you have several track controls and volume control and a mute button on the top. Now, around on the back side, there's a 3.5 millimeter jack, and you also have a USB port right here. This allows you to feed analog audio from an external device like a iPhone, for example, and then this is for USB memory sticks. Now, the speaker is high-res compatible, 24/192, so technically better than CD quality sound. Of course, it also supports a wide variety of high-res audio formats, including FLAC, WMA, etc. So if you're a high-res audio fan, you can feed your high-res tracks into this speaker. Now, there are 3 different ways that you can control the speaker using your voice. One is through Riva's Voice app, which is a free download for both Apple and Android devices. Also through Amazon Alexa, which also offers Alexa calling and messaging. So if you have more than one of these in your home, you can use this as an intercom system. And then also Spotify Connect. And according to Riva, there are multiple ways that you can stream music into the speaker. Those include AirPlay, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, which has a range of up to 33 feet, and also DLNA. Okay, well, that is Riva Concert in a nutshell. I'm going to put this speaker through its paces in a full review, including listening tests, user functionality, and also take some measurements to see how low this can play in the bass region. In the meantime, give us a like, give us a sub, and head over to AV Nirvana, where we have a whole host of reviews and a great forum that you can participate on. Thanks for stopping by. If you enjoy content like this, hit like, subscribe, and then join the conversation on avnirvana.com.